Just when I was having that first conversation with you, I think one thing that struck me was your work culture in general. Uh, could you, I think, could you talk a little bit about the work culture at MACPL?
Yeah, so there are major three aspects of the work culture at MACPL according to. So the first is freedom, the second is continuous upgradation, and the third is a fail forward philosophy. Okay, so freedom basically means we have the freedom to build it, to manage things the way we think is better, like in terms of time and in terms of getting the achieving the targets. Plus, we also have the freedom to decide on a lot of technical aspects, like how the product should be, how it should perform a certain function. Then the
Yeah,
second aspect of the culture is continuous upgradation. So it is like we keep learning new things and we keep implementing them in our work. So what we do is we are, as an individual, we are upgrading ourselves. Plus, we are as a team, we are upgrading, and as an organization also, we are learning new things, implementing them, and improving the work that we do. Just to give you an example, when I had joined the company after 2-3 months, we did this systematic innovation techniques workshop. Then the third aspect is fail forward philosophy. So basically, what it means is if you are walking and if you fall forward, when you get up, you already are a step or two ahead of where you were. So in the work we do, and especially in the innovation world, failure is like there will be many times we'll be failing before we succeed. So fail forward philosophy basically means that when you are failing, you make sure you fail in such a way that when you learn from the failure, you will be moving ahead.